And make sure your hands are clean.
Number one.
Okay, I told you. We removed that. Leave that there. And then you check the blue line. The blue line is there. Open card on table. Okay? You may bend the spine in the opposite direction to help the card lay flat. So open it up.
Like this.
And bend it a little bit. Bend it a little bit opposite. You have to lay it. Okay, now it's fine. Remove bottle cap. Remove dropper bottle cap. Hold dropper bottle straight over top hole, not at edge. So that's the top hole. And okay, you're gonna put 6 drops inside top hole. Do not touch card with tip. So don't touch the card.
Okay.
Just don't touch the card at all. Now, I suppose you break that off the top. Hold it straight up, break that off. Hold it straight up in the air. Twist it off or something.
Okay.
Okay. Now hold it over that top hole and put 6 drops. Hold it straight up and down, straight up and down. Don't touch it.
I didn't.
Don't touch it with that.
Oh.
Just hit 6 drops.
2.
3. 4, barely. 5. 6, okay. Open swab package at stick end. Don't touch that.
That's a swab.
This is the swab right here. It's stick end, so don't touch the tip. Don't touch the tip of the swab. Okay, grab onto the tip, or grab onto the end. Okay, hold on. Swab both nostrils. Hold on. Swab both nostrils carefully as shown. Insert the entire soft tip of the swab into a nostril, usually 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. That's not very far. You do not need to go deeper. Using medium pressure, rub the swab against all of the inside walls of your nostril, making at least 5 circles. Do not just spin the swab. Each nostril must be swabbed for about 15 seconds. Using the same swab, repeat step 5, what you just did, in your other nostril.
How many circles?
5, all the way in, not just hit all sides. Go in about that far, and just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come over to your other nostril and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. Now,
Okay, begin.
inside, yeah.
Each nostril.
Nothing inside.
Just go up there about 3/4 of an inch and go around all of the walls of the nostril.
I feel each. Okay, 5 already.
Now go and do the other nostril with the same swab.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. All right, hold on to that. Did you swab both nostrils? Question mark.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Insert swab tip into bottom hole. Hold on. Firmly push the swab tip from the bottom hole until it is visible in the top hole. So you might have to hold on to it a little bit.
And then
So it's visible in the top hole. It's visible, okay. Do not remove swab from the card. Firmly to the top hole, do not remove swab from the card. Turn swab to right 3 times.
okay.
Turn swab to right 3 times to mix the swab within the drops.
Okay, so right.
Right. 3
1,
times. All complete turns.
2, 3. Okay, 3.
Okay. Do not skip this step, and you didn't skip it. Leave the swab in the card for the remainder of the test. We've got to time this. It's supposed to be 15 minutes. I don't have my timer. Note, false negative result can occur if swab is not turned. Do not remove swab. Peel adhesive liner off. Be careful not to touch the other parts of the card. So lay off. Close left side of card over swab.
Okay.
Press.
Nana?
Yeah. Press firmly on the 2 sides on right edge of card to seal.
Okay, I did.
Okay. Keep card face up on table. Wait 15 minutes.